This healing technique is allowed for everyone, no restrictions. You can practice this especially in the early morning for miracle result for your health, physical health as well as mental health. And if you make the habit for your kids also who are above 6 years of age, that will be effective for their good respiratory system from their childhood. Light an incense stick, as this is a video of healing. You need to get yourself in a comfortable environment where you can concentrate more on your breath. Settle down with your comfortable position of sitting. Make sure you are not sitting on couch, especially made of leathers. It doesn't produce any useful or healthy energies. Right hand straight on your right knees, left hand straight on your left knees, both palm facing upward, that your energy from your palm could reach the upper level of energy. Open palms. Give yourself time and be relaxed. Actually, why I'm telling you to sit straight? The reason is if you break your spine, the communication or the channels of your main root will be broken. So there will be a blockages in between. There will be no way of communication, so that energy could not reach where it should. So better you keep straightening your spine for smooth flowing of energy. Or if you sit in an odd posture, then you might not get or you won't get that kind of result. For the reason I have made this video for your help. Closing your both eyes will give you the more focus of inside world. So close your eyes. When you close your both eyes, you cannot see outside world. Now enter in your inner world of existence. We will go step by step that everything you can understand properly and get desired result. So be specific with today's healing session. This is for your better lungs and also chakra or paris. Let this frequency well set with your energy. You need to feel the difference. For that you need a little concentration and relaxed mind. So take your time for your energy relaxation. Feel more, breathe less. Slow down your intake of breath. Try to do it as much you can. Do not force yourself. We will do comfortably. Slow down intake of your breath. Take your own time, settle down, more with this amazing deep music which making space in your energy. Let this enter to your system of infinite energy process. When you do with intention, it becomes more stronger because you have added the purpose of your thought in a more deep way. With every breath, go little slow speed of your breath. So close your eyes and reach to your root. Many of you can take time and many do not need that much time. It depends on the practice. All energies with all frequencies that we want them to sink in, and it takes generally 20 minutes minimum. So first few weeks maybe you could take 20 minutes or you can finally reach to your goal. Now you have to focus on your root wheel or root chakra or root pari. The basic pari or the basic chakra is situated at the base of your spine. Focusing on your root may need some time. And focus on your basic or root chakra or root pari. After focusing on your root, quick check on your breathing speed. Are you taking your breath with more speed or slow? It is medium or normal? Is this too short or it is very deep? Keep focusing this. Now breathe little fast but deep through your nostril. The way of breathing and the way of breathe out, the speed will be same. The difference is in the hold. Remember, fast but deep inhale, hold for say some 15 seconds and exhale fast through your nostril. This will make control of your lungs firstly. Secondly, this process will strengthen and balance all of your energy wheels. So keep breathing deep and fast. Inhale, hold, and exhale fast through your nostril. Deep inhale, hold, and exhale fast. Deep and fast inhale, hold, keep doing this. Now one thing you need to do is focus on your root wheel or root energy center. Keep your focus there and exhale fast through your nostril. Deep and fast inhale, hold. The basic pari or the basic chakra is situated at the base of your spine. So go deep in the base of your spine at that point and exhale fast. We are going to do it for a few more times. Deep and fast inhale, hold. Keep your focus there and follow what I told you all about the breathing process. And exhale fast. We take breathing and breathe out from nostril or mouth. This time you need to imagine that your basic chakra or basic pari is taking this breath for you. Imagine that your own root chakra or your own basic chakra or basic pari is taking this breathing. So whenever you're taking breathe, your full imagination and concentration will be on your basic pari or basic chakra, that your basic pari or chakra is taking this breathe, hold and breathe out fast. You need to imagine this. While exhaling, just do not forget to refuse all negativity from your basic chakra. Breathe in from your root, from your basic. Fast. Hold. And exhale fast. Throw out all negativity, polluted, disturbed, black energies, dark energies, lazy energies, all kind of negativity that you think to be out. Deep and fast inhale. Take breathing from your base. Hold. And exhale fast. But you need to imagine that your root or basic is working for you. Throw out, take out all those negativity, pollutions, disturbances, black energies, lazy energies, whatever, all those problems you are suffering. Deep and fast inhale. Hold. And exhale fast. Breathe out, take out all garbage from your basic chakra or basic pari. We'll do it now for a few more times. Breathe in from your root, from your basic. Hold. And exhale fast. Throw out all negativity, polluted, disturbed, black energies. Breathe in from your root, from your basic. Hold. And exhale fast. All negativity, polluted, disturbed, black energies from your root, from your basic. Breathe in from your root, from your basic. Hold. exhale fast. Throw out all negativity, polluted, disturbed, black energies, dark energies, lazy energies, all kind of negativity that you think to be out. So by this healing process, you are being more relaxed, more focused, knowing your root energy, feeling your root energy, the communication process that will help you to sleep properly. Because you have exhaled, you have removed, you have pushed those negativity out from your basic by your breath. Watch my other videos when I am talking on concentration on paris. That will help you to move forward in this empowerment. Keep a watch in next session.